At my age, I'm taking what I can get.
I'm going to report you for what you did to my husband. This is not going to stay like this. You don't know who I am. The police is going to get you. You hear me?
This will be my Christmas present.
Free gift? This stuff is sticky and it reeks.
You have got to be kidding me! Damn it! Are you serious? What the? Who does this?
Are you out of your mind? My son wasn't doing anything wrong. It was just a little Amazon package.